Hi guys, it's Lacey. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so if I look like I just woke up, it's because I just did. Today I'm going to be stretching to 5 gauge. You can go check out my other stretching videos. I'll link it in the description. Yeah. I mean, there's not much to say, so I'll just go ahead and start this. First, I'm going to take out my 6 gauge tunnels. When I originally stretched a 6 gauge, I used glass plugs, but I decided that I wanted to try out the tunnels again. The tunnels don't build up stuff as often. I don't know what the buildup is, but the tunnels don't build it up as much or something. I don't know. And now I'm going to get some Q-tips and ear care solution per usual. Oh, you can kind of see it through there. You see that? Isn't that cool? Vitamin E oil and massage for a little bit. I just sterilized these. They came here yesterday. I sterilized them right before I filmed this video, so they're good. Gonna slide it through. Okay, that was a little bit tight. So now I'm scared for this ear because this ear is tighter. But that's what it looks like. It looks pretty big, honestly. Here, I'll show you what the plug looks like. Here's what it looks like. There's a bunch of people outside. It's like prime time for people to go on walks. It's hard to go through, so I'm gonna put vitamin E oil on the plug. Ooh, that stung for a tiny second. Oh, I'm gonna massage that a little bit. Ow. Stings for like longer than like a few hours. Then I'm downsized, but I think it'll be okay. And put the O-ring on the back. Hopefully it's easy. I guess we're done. Sad to see you guys go. This is what my ear looks like. My freshly stretched 5 gauge ear. Looks pretty big. I like it. I'm excited. Well, I'm gonna end the video here. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out all my other stretching videos. I have a playlist. I have all my other stretching videos up there. So bye.